Game day preparation is vital in a player's performance during the game. Hydration is the first topic I will discuss. Staying hydrated during games is extremely important because if someone's dehydrated, it will make it very hard to play in the game. For games, Gatorade and water should both be consumed, but water should be the main source of hydration, and Gatorade should be diluted with water. 2% of fluid loss can impair a player's ability to perform. Every day, a person should drink half their body weight in ounces of water. For example, if someone weighs 120 pounds, they should drink 60 ounces of water. During the game, at least 6 ounces of fluid should be taken in, and after the game, another water bottle should be consumed. The brain needs water because oxygen in the water is supplied to the brain cells. When a person is dehydrated, concentration is impaired, the processing ability is low, and there's impaired short-term memory. Hydration allows the body to digest and absorb nutrients. This is important for games because nutrients from the food allows the body to function at full ability. Hydration is needed to support the circulatory system. It needs water because the cells need the water and oxygen in the water to supply the body with energy and blood. For the muscular system, water acts as a lubricant. Muscles are made up of 75% of water, so when muscles lack water, they become fatigued and cramped. The amount of water that is consumed before playing in a game also needs to account for the amount the player will sweat. Hydration should be paid close attention to when preparing for a game. One thing you shouldn't do is drink a lot of water in a short amount of time.
Chug, 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 chug.
What I'm making today is a pasta with veggies and chicken dinner. The veggies include pepper, broccoli, and carrots. And the pasta is rigatoni. And I'm also using the grilled chicken that my mom made earlier. And then I'm going to put some garlic, lemon juice, and basil in it. And then Parmesan on top. What a player eats the day before and the morning of a game greatly affects how a player performs. The night before a game, a player should have a dinner high in carbs and low in fat. 60 to 70% of the dinner should be carbs and 10 to 15% should be protein. There should be lots of carbs in the dinner because it increases the amount of glycogen in the muscles. Glycogen is a key source of energy for muscles. It is a polysaccharide form of a carb. When playing in the game, the body uses glycogen for energy since it is an energy reserve. On the day of the game, the player's breakfast should include a grain and fruits, but not a lot of protein, because it's hard for the body to digest. It is important to eat foods that are easy to digest right before a game, because if there's indigestion while playing, it may cause the player's performance to be compromised. This meal will not increase the glycogen reserves, but will help avoid feeling hungry during the game, and it will stabilize the blood sugar. This will make the player feel energized and ready to play. Nutrition affects the nervous system because to react and work correctly needs glucose which is made in the body from the carbohydrates that are consumed. If nutrition and hydration are paid attention to in a player's game preparation, then the player will perform at their best ability. In this pot, we have the carrots and the broccoli and the pasta, and that's all cooking together. And in this, we have the peppers and some oil. And soon I'm going to add some garlic to it. And I'm going to turn down the temperature because I don't want the garlic to burn. So now I'm going to add some pepper, salt, basil, and lemon juice. And the garlic. Never mind, garlic's sticking. When preparing for a game, you'll want to avoid chocolate candies, sugary candies, salad dressing, excess butter, jam and jelly, cookies, fried foods, eggs, and meats that are high in fat. When preparing for a game, good foods to eat are dried or fresh fruit, especially bananas, fig Newtons, yogurt, unbuttered popcorn, fruit juices such as cranberry juice or orange juice, and water.